Chalo. Cool. So right now we are on the position screen. As you all know that we were stuck for nearly 3 hours yesterday in this same position. Right now it is 11:30. I really wanted to record the video, but I'll talk about it later. First, let us see that open is around 46,200, high is around 46,500, low is 45,932, and the previous lows is 46 and 47. I mean 46,000 and 47 right now, and the current LTP is 45,940, 948, 944, 947, 942, 952, 949, 945, 950, 942.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
939, and we are in profit of approximately 4,000. Okay. So this is the thing. So the thing what I couldn't record my morning because you can see my screen over here right now. I was editing my recently uploaded
मैं क्या करूं फिर जॉब छोड़ दूं
video which is yesterday. You can see it. This is the part 1. This is we are in part 2 video. Part 1 I'll be linking over here. You can just have a look at it. I was editing and I couldn't finish the edit on time because it was a bigger video and the rendering had took nearly 7 hours because the video file was nearly 10 GB. It's 4K footage and that's why I couldn't screen record unfortunately. So I have to just tell you all this is the thing. Now let's get back to the screen. Okay, so we are back on the screen and we are nearly seeing 3,400 and change profit. Okay, so it's nearly 1 minute. My target is nearly 45,800 or maybe 700. Okay, and today is expiry. I am definitely sure all the people who are on the longer side they are going to exit, and if they all exit after 12, what will happen? The market will start bleeding. Okay, so
हम मालूम है तेरे बाप को मत सिखा
the market might even come down to 45,500 and change, but we cannot expect that what exactly is going to happen. We will see in the meanwhile. Okay, so the main reason of me making the position was very simple. I looked up at the RSI and the market was at a very high, as every market has a good pulse of theirs. So for a while Bank Nifty future of July had a pulse of 45,500 to 46,500, and it was in the range of middle, nowhere supposed to be going. So it was kind of a risky trade, and unfortunately it had happened that today morning it opened at, you can see here, 46,200. The market has opened and it has went a high. Let me take you to the chart as well, or you can just have a look at the chart. And it did go till 46,500. After hitting 46,500 of the high, the market has came down falling completely. Okay, the market has came down falling, and right now it is around this level, and RSI is also at the bottom level. You can see it over here. I am right now on the 1 minute chart. Okay, and right now the last trade price is at 45,945, 47 and ish change. Okay, good. So I think we will wait until here what exactly will happen. We will wait for a while and we will just extend the screen. Over here. So the market looks very good to me up until here right now, but if it does not give much of a good pullback and then bottom doesn't hit, I might even exit at 900 itself. Don't want to risk much, but this is what it is. Let us give a try. Right now it is nearly our target, nearly at our target itself. Okay, cool. Let us prepare it to exit. Market seems that it might just turn around anywhere, anytime. So it's better that I exit at 910 or maybe 900. So 4 lots, which is 60, and then we press 95,900, 909, 904, is it gonna do? Is it gonna take my order or not? Okay, 45, 900, 45, 100 and 40, 45, 100. Okay, 45, 13. Should I just change it and make it 10? A little stressful over here. The reason why I am exiting this position is because I feel right now the bottom side might have been over and it might bounce back anytime, but after going slightly up to 45,950, 60 or maybe 46, it might even come down from there. But I just want to be over. Okay, right. Cool. We have finally exited our position. We have booked nearly 6,000 in profits. You can listen to that sound. Ooh, big. 6,000 is what we have booked. Okay. I just hope I don't cry looking at the end of the day results. Right now I'm in loss of 4,000, 8,000 in this level. Because if I would have waited till now, I would have got on capture 20 to 50 millions, but it's completely okay. It might slightly even come up, but this is how it is. Okay, 6,000 is what we have completely booked. Okay, cool. Now we can look over here. As soon as I exited, the market went like 15 points down. From there it is bouncing back. Right now it is at 950, 907, 908, 15, 11, 15, 20, 16. Still trading at around this level, and then it will slowly build up the momentum and it will start going up until 20 or maybe 25. Okay, so we'll just wait for a while and then see how the market is going to turn for a while for us. But or I might have to take up a long position, but I don't think. I just want to protect my profit, whatever I have booked. So I guess we will close here itself for the day. So thank you so much everyone for watching up until here. See you all in the next episode. Oh, what has happened? See, if I would have not been exited.
Oh my God!
It is trading at 42 now, and we would have lost 2,400. So touching 6,000 and then coming down to this level, it would have definitely hurted a lot, but well, it didn't, and I am really happy. Okay, it is slightly and slowly bouncing back, but there are chances it's gonna make a V, it's gonna go down, like it's gonna come down like this, touch the bottom. After touching the bottom, it's gonna shoot up, and there are two things that can happen: either a head and shoulder pattern, or it is going to take a reversal, like it's just going to go up and close above our head days. Okay, but you can have a look over here. After 1 hour,
1 hour later,
I just came back over here, and you can see the market has finally gone down. It is at 5,508. That means I lost that much money. If I was holding till now, I would be earning nearly 5,000 more to this trade, but unfortunately I chose to exit. I chose to play safe. So this is my reward, which is only 6,000 points, and I have officially lost the 5,000, but cannot help. Okay, let us wait, or maybe come after 1 hour, another 1 hour, to get one more breaking and bad news. Okay, so here we are after half an hour, and the market does not seem to be stopping. Actually, my target was that, and I am here still now on the screen just to take the end of the market timing, like end of the day report. But the market seems to continuously going up and up and up. I mean, my loss are going up and up and up, while the market keeps on falling. My initial target was 700 and 800. I did not exit. at my target. I did not stick to that. I feel a little bad, but I hope guys you have understood what it is like right now. Okay, so see, here we are, nearly 3:20 p.m. it is, and we have lost nearly 13,000
Emotional, damn it!
of making extra. Okay, if you would have won it till now, you would have made 13,000 plus 6,000. That would be an additional of 19,000. I really feel bad, but this is all part of it. We cannot help. So it's really fine. Okay. So today is also the expiry of Bank Nifty July future. Here we have total 27,000 bidders, 7,000 bid off and off. We did 10,000. Again, not going out. We are just exiting the position. So yeah, I guess that's all enough for the day. So thank you so much for watching up until here. I see by the market has been officially closed now. Thank you so much for watching up until here. See you all in the next episode. Tada, bye bye. Take care. By the way, see you in August expiry, which is tomorrow.